Hi traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel JJP Trading Academy. In this video we are going to see a new update about our static zone indicator. So this indicator full details we discussed in the previous video. You can see in our YouTube channel intraday chart analysis powerful indicator. So in this video we have explained the full details about the settings of this indicator and how to include and what are all the parameters included in the settings. We have fully discussed in this video. You can also watch that video and know about this indicator first of all. After that, now in this video, now we are going to see the full update which we are going to do the automation process with our static zone indicator. So what are all the process needed for automation and how to create the alerts from TradingView and connect with other platforms like Tradetron and StockSo, we will be discussing in this video. So I wish every traders to watch this video till the end clearly so that you will be understanding what are all the process you need to do for automation with our indicator. You can also see the full strategy backtest with this update, and in each and every symbols you can go and check whether the strategy is working good with the backtest performance. After that, you can also go and deploy in API platforms like Tradetron and StockSo. So before going on to the video, I wish every traders to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Before going on to our strategy settings, we will be just seeing with the Tradetron how to connect your demat. So for that, you just sign up with the Tradetron with your Google account or email. So after signing up, you will be getting a unique profile. In that login, after that you just click on this profile ID. You will be getting an option called broker and exchange. If you click on this option, you will be having the option to add a new broker, as well as you can also see what are all the brokers you have added here. So if you are clicking on add a new broker, you will be having the option to select the demats. Whatever demat you are having, you can select it here, and you just need to do the setup process for connecting your demat with the Tradetron. So to get this setup process, just scroll down. You will be having an option here, the integrations. So click on this button. It will be directing you to another page. So in this page, you will be having all the setup descriptions about each and every demats. You can see all the descriptions and setup links. If you click on this link, it will be directing to the another page. So in this page, you will be having the step-by-step process to connect your demat. For example, you are seeing the 5 paisa demat setup instructions. So you can also have you can also have the lookup with this YouTube video link also. Otherwise, you can see the step-by-step process they have given as a snapshot here. So do as per this and connect your demat first of all, so that only you can connect your strategy from TradingView to Tradetron. So whatever process for automation, the first process we just need to connect your demat so that only the automation process can be taken. So once you connected this, we can go with our strategy. So now I have opened Nifty 50 index chart with 5 minutes time frame with static zone Fibo range strategy indicator. So if you go for the settings of this indicator, you can see static zones, important levels, Fibo levels, as well as bullish range and buy sell signal indicator. So these are the previous inputs we have seen and we have discussed in our previous video also. What are all the details and what are all the rules which we need to follow to use this parameters we have discussed in the previous videos. And now we have included buy entry, sell entry and start session, end session. So this will be this buy entry and sell entry will be helpful for automation and for back testing the strategy. So whenever the entry is taken, the long buy entry will be helpful for you to place a long entry, and sell entry will be helpful for placing you the short entry. So if you are enabling this will be helpful for you to backtest, and in backtesting you just need to enable only single separately. So if you are going to check for buy side validation, then you just go with buy entry and check the buy signals strategy backtest. So if you click on the strategy backtest, now it will be showing you the backtest only for buy entry, and if you are enabling the sell entry, just disable buy entry, then only you can see the sell entry separate performance, and you can add the performance separately for net profit, and total number of trades and percentage win rate and max drawdown. So this is how we are going to see the backtest for separately with buy entry as well as sell entry. If you are going with both buy entry and sell entry, means there is a conflict occurring during in the list of trade, so that only we are not doing the backtest with the combination of buy and sell entry, because if we are making it both enabled, means sometimes the quantity change is happening. Now it is not showing for one, that means 1 lakh performance it is not showing. It is showing sometimes the trade is making a conflict and taking the quantity as 2. So to avoid this conflict only, we have given buy entry, sell entry, both options we have given. So if you are checking with separately with buy entry, then it is not giving any conflict, so it is very perfect. The backtest will be perfect. So if you are going for any backtest with any other symbols which we are going to deploy, just to go with buy entry separately backtest and add this performance for net profit points. So this is 1646 points we are seeing in Nifty for one set. So if you are doing the future, you can achieve this with future you can achieve this 1646 points. If you are going with options, you should divide it by 2 and make the calculation. The same process which we are doing for other strategies also, other strategy automation also, same like this we are doing. We are calculating the points and making it per option calculation by divided by 2, so that only we can calculate the option calculation. Now if you are doing the backtest for this indicator, separately for this indicator, you just need to enable buy entry or sell entry, then only you can check the both performance perfectly. So now buy entry performance is this one, and you can disable this and enable for a sell entry, and you can check it. Now you can also configure the trailing stop loss, target, stop loss. So every parameters you can make the changes. For example, now we are using Nifty, so the trailing we have given 0.15. So if you are using Bank Nifty index, then you should go for 0.38. So like this, you can manually check the backtest and make the perfect backtest, and after that you can deploy the strategy. So this is the main thing, because you are going to deploy the strategy, because this is a manual trading indicator as a basic. To help for automation traders, we have given this option for automation. So now if you want to deploy the automation, go with each and every symbols which you are going to work. Go to the backtest performance and make the configurations. You can also change the trailing stop loss, target, stop loss, and close condition. These parameters if you change, means the performance will be affected, so that you can check which is having the good performance. So once you know everything, the drawdown and win ratio as well as total number of trade counting as well as net profit, so everything is perfect, then you can deploy the particular strategy. So this is the use of this new update. And now once you are creating the alert, you should enable both buy entry as well as sell entry. After that you should click on OK button and create the alert. So before creating an alert, we are going to see the token. So this token will be generated from Tradetron platform. So this is a Tradetron automation token. So this token should be generated for your separate Tradetron account. You can generate the token from Tradetron platform itself. If you are going with the Tradetron My Strategies, our technical team will be developing a separate strategy for you. For example, you can see this name, this TradingView to Tradetron. So now like this, we will be developing your separate strategy for your Tradetron account. You should give your login details of Tradetron, so that our technical team will be making the syntax coding for your account separately. So once the syntax coding is done perfectly, you can click on these 3 dots and click on API authentication token. So if you click on API authentication token and click on proceed button, you will be getting a separate token like this. You can copy this token and paste it here. So this is the token which is connecting our TradingView alert as well as our Tradetron. So this is how we will be connecting the both platforms here itself, and after that we are going to create the alert. So once you click on OK button, now the token is loading. So once the token is loaded, everything perfect now, and now I am clicking on this 3 dots. So if you hover on the particular indicator, you will be having this 3 dots more button. Click on this and click on add alert. Just note this syntax, same as like you should type in your message box. So this curly braces to strategy dot order dot alert underscore message and closing two curly braces. This is the syntax for creating the alert for our strategy. So now you can give any name. Now you are choosing with Nifty, right? So I am just giving it as Nifty static zone. So now I have given the alert condition here, and before creating the alert, go to notifications. In this you just need to paste your Tradetron webbook URL link. So this Tradetron webbook URL link you will be getting in Google itself. Just go to another tab and type Tradetron webbook URL. So here you are getting this Tradetron webbook URL. This is the URL ID. So now I have copied this and pasted in this. So this I will be giving in the description of this video. You can also copy and paste it here, the webbook URL API. So this, through this only our Tradetron as well as TradingView is going to be connected. Once you're done with all the process, click on create button. So if you go to the alerts option, you will be seeing all the alerts. It will be coming here, as well as you can see the new alert which we created also. So now you can see the alert has been created perfectly, Nifty static zone, which we created right now. So this alert will be triggering whenever the strategy is taking you a long signal and close signal. Every alerts, it will be automated fully. So whatever the signals coming for the particular script, it will be directly taken through Tradetron, and as well as this will be converted to your demat also. This signal will be directly directed to your demat. So whatever demat you are connecting, after connecting the demat and creating the alert like this with the token, now you can click on the deploy button, and now you will be having the option to deploy this strategy. You can also deploy through paper trade mode. Otherwise you can click on live auto and go for which demat you want to take trade. So you can select the demat here, and after that you can deploy. So this multiplier option is to fix the quantity size. If you are fixing for 1x, means it will be taking for defaultly, if we are given in the strategy settings, if we are given as a 1 lot, means it will be taking 1 lot. If you want to take more than 2 lots, 3 lots, means you can do with the multiplier itself. You can just create 5 lots, means you should just click on 5x multiplier, so it will be multiplying as per the default settings. That's it. Once you completed, you just deploy. Now your strategies will be available in the deployed page. If you go to the deployed page, you can see the strategies which we have deployed. So like this, your strategy will also be available here. You can see the strategy performance here itself. And once in the live market, you just check how the strategy is taking or not. Every time you just check, and after that you can leave it as it is. The trade, every day morning, you just need to go to the broker and exchange and just go and log in to the demat, so that only the API connection will be happening in the morning. So before market start, so for Zerodha they have given a link. So through this link you just need to log into your demat, and as like you can also see in Flat Trade they have given a demat link. So through this only we will be logging to the demat. So this process alone every day you just need to do for automation. Then only the automation consistently you can deploy the strategies. Like this, you can also go to the settings of this indicator. There will be an option for enable stocks automation. If you click on this enable stocks automation and give the syntax coding for long entry, short entry, long exit, short exit, short exit, long entry, and long exit, short entry. So this syntax coding, if you are given for the StockSo, and if you are creating the alert with the webbook URL link of StockSo, then automation directly taken to your StockSo account also. So if you are no need to go, if you are not interested to go with the Tradetron platform, you can also connect your demats with StockSo, and you can automate our strategy in StockSo also. Same process. Now whatever we have done is the same process we are doing for all the automation process also. So this video will be helpful for you to understand how the automation process should be taken. So if you are getting access to the static zone indicator, this process you should do as a default. Then only you can connect for automation. Otherwise you can do manual trading by seeing the buy and sell signals as well as whatever the rules we discussed in the previous video. As per that, you can also take manual trading also. That's all, traders. This is a simple process. Once you are if you have any doubts also, you can comment it below, or you can also WhatsApp us. We will be guiding you step by step process for linking the demats as well as alert fixing we have discussed in this video. I hope you all understood about the automation process, how it's going on from TradingView to Tradetron, and how we are connecting the demats. Every details we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you, traders.